Well, this is a young man in St. Vincent that got killed by the bad boy police Nigel. Now, Nigel, if you remember, him are the cousin of St. Vincent Shotty Mark.
You and them make what you want, all you mash up the land. You and them Colombian, all you mash up the land.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, Shotty Mark of St. Vincent. You think we're done with you? We're not done with you, you know. We just make you know that we're not done with you. But what more you do? More you stop the fuckery. You understand? Stop the fuckery. Now, with that said, let's move on to what I want to talk about. This young man was shot and killed last year by the police Nigel. Now, there is a lot of discrepancy with this case. It is alleged that the young man had a gun and he pulled it and fired a shot. But the problem we have with that, we don't see any gun, we don't know what's happening. It's a police say this, the police say that, the police say this, the police say that. So my thing is, if the police boy do some fuck up thing to the youth, why is there not an investigation into this? Now Nigel, me know say you're a bad boy police, you know, and you run St. Vincent. Me know say you're Marvin a cousin, and you're close with the Prime Minister. If I am not lying, I think you're dating or your girlfriend is related to the Prime Minister. Now my youth, we need a full disclosure of this case, because you see St. Vincent, because it's such a small country and the Prime Minister have a chokehold on everything and everybody, these things are played underneath the rug. So Nigel, police youth, me nah accuse you of anything wrong, but what we need a full disclosure, because even Jamaica, you know, when them say them kill a man and them have a gun, majority of the time, you know, the police them show the gun. Where is the gun? What was the cause of you to shoot this young man and fatally injure him, leading to his death, and there is no justice? So I am calling on the government of St. Vincent. This youth here, Sarge, will get killed. Can we do a proper investigation? Can the acting police commissioner show and do a news conference and show us exactly what happened in this case? Just like other cases, this one here is leaving a tarnish on St. Vincent. Okay, now Jamaica. Let's talk about Jamaica. We have some of the most vicious police killing and arbitrary arrests. But what I have noticed within the last few years there is a lot of Jamaican who has taken the police and the government to court. And actually, as one settlement, there was one guy from the Klansman era. He got over $7 million from the government for wrongful arrest. So what I'm saying is, we need some clarity in the laws, in the system. The police commissioner are acting. You can't expect to be closing cases and expect a good outcome when you're not taking care of the constitutionality of the citizens of St. Vincent. So what I am saying is, please, we need a full investigation and we need a disclosure, and you need to do a press conference and let us know what happened in this case with this young man. Looking at the young man, to me, and this is no disrespect, he looks like a nerd. This guy doesn't have the operational skills and all of that to be a hardcore gangster like Sanga them and Diallo and all them. You have so many big criminals in St. Vincent killing and selling drugs and doing all sort of stuff. But this guy right here, he looks like a straight up nerd. I don't know how much danger he could have possessed, but what I'm saying is, I'm calling on the police commissioner, I'm calling on the government, I'm calling on the damn opposition leader with him damn mouth shut and ain't saying nothing. The opposition leader is a fucking idiot, because I've been following him for a while now, for about 6 months or 7 months, and I can count how many times this guy comes out and defend the citizens or declare some kind of investigation. You know what he did? The white boy crashing plane in the water in St. Vincent. That is what the motherfucker come out and give some kind of comment on that. While people are dying, people starving, the government are thief, police are kill man, all sort of things. And the opposition leader, Mr. Red name, Sunday name, I can't remember him damn name. You understand? Get it together. Opposition leader, you're not winning no fucking prime ministership. You don't know how to campaign. You understand? But you're just like the rest of them. You sit down in your air-conditioned office, you get money from the government, and you turn a blind eye. All your followers, them should leave your opposition leader, because I know I started off talking about Mr. Nigel and I went off in a rant and rave, and really and truly the opposition, them have a lot to blame. You have to hold the government accountable. That's why you're opposition, and at the rate you're going, you're not winning nothing. Rans Gonzalez are gonna win again, and then after him dead, him a give to him fucking son them, and the whole of them have a blood clot starve to death. Listen, we need to investigate this case. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Yo, the opposition leader really pissed me off. I'm out, man.